Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make water and oxygen, not included. We will go over the essential techniques to ensure your colony has a constant and reliable supply of this vital resource. We will cover the initial steps for converting polluted water, then move on to more advanced and sustainable methods. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of how to manage your water cycle effectively. The most straightforward way to produce clean water from polluted water is by using the water sieve. This essential building takes in polluted water and, with the help of a filter medium like sand or regolith, outputs clean water. Remember, the sieve consumes 100 grams of sand for every 5 kilograms of polluted water processed, so managing your filter material is crucial for continuous operation. To maintain a truly sustainable water supply, you must effectively manage your colony's waste. Polluted water, a common byproduct from facilities like lavatories and showers, can be collected and fed directly into water sieves for purification. For more advanced bases, steam turbines offer an excellent way to recover water from high-temperature steam, often generated by cooling other liquids, creating a closed-loop system. For a highly efficient and sustainable water production system, consider the steam turbine and aquatinor combination. The aquatinor heats a liquid, turning it into steam, which then powers the steam turbine. The turbine converts this steam into clean, hot water, which can be cooled and reused. This setup not only provides a continuous water supply, but can also generate up to 850 watts of power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.